How to add a YouTube channel manager to any YouTube channel. You can add a channel manager to your YouTube channel to help you upload, moderate comments, optimize videos. There's actually 3 or 4 different levels of permission, but adding that manager to your channel can be a little bit tricky because YouTube actually has 2 different types of channels. They have what's called a profile channel, which is what most people have. But then there's what's called a brand channel. Now, whether you have a profile channel or a brand channel doesn't really matter for this video. I'm gonna show you how to add a channel manager to either one of those right now. Let's start by going onto YouTube. The first thing you wanna do is click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand side. Then you're gonna click on settings. If you look towards the middle of the page, your channel will say add or remove managers, or it won't. If it doesn't say that, you have a profile channel, and I'm gonna show you what to do in just a minute. If your channel says add or remove managers, then click on that link. You'll go through a brief login process where you'll then see this pop-up that allows you to enter the email of the person that you want to add as a manager. Once you've added their email, you can then add the permission level of that manager. You have primary owner and owner, and this is designed mostly for partnerships. Then you've got manager, which is gonna be the one you're most likely gonna use. Your manager can do just about anything at the level of the video upload. They won't be able to change account settings or anything on the channel level. Then you've got your communications manager, whose primary responsibility it is to manage comments. So once you've selected their role, you'll add them to the channel. Then they'll get a request that they'll need to click through, log into the channel, and there you have it, you've got a channel manager. Now, what if you have a profile channel? That works a little bit differently.
Let's go back to the YouTube homepage. In the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon. Then in the drop-down, click YouTube Studio. And in the left-hand corner, scroll to the bottom and click Settings. You'll see a small pop-up box, and you can do a lot here. But to set up a channel manager, you'll need to click Permissions, and in the upper right corner of the box, you'll see an invite link. This is a relatively new feature, and you have some additional channel manager options, so be sure to check those out. For now, click Manager.
There might be some slight differences in what a channel manager on a profile channel can see versus what a channel manager on a brand channel can see, but you have all the same functionality. So go add your channel manager to your channel right now and start growing exponentially on YouTube, and then watch the next video in this series where I'll talk about more tactical YouTube advice that'll help you to grow your brand, get tons of views, and scale your revenue with YouTube. My name's Owen. I'll see you in the next one.